This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Sari Hernandez. 2-bedroom, 2 baths, second floor unit overlooking the pool and gardens, located in the desirable fountains at Countryside Condominiums. Open floor plan with modern cabinets and updates. The Fountains is a well-maintained gated community with a large pool, hot tub, fitness room, pet-friendly with gated dog run. The beautiful community clubhouse is perfect for gatherings and private functions. It offers a heated pool and spa, outdoor shower, guest restrooms, propane grills, fitness room, mirrored studio, clubhouse for the community-held events or private rental, car wash area, and recycling bins. Easy access to beaches and airports and close to shopping, restaurants and the bus line. For more information, review the details below.